So the question is, I want to save more for retirement, but I also want to help my kids with their college. So look, this comes up a lot. Your top priority has to be for you, for your retirement. So if that means you can't help your kids as much, that's what that means. And it may also mean they have to get student loans. That may also mean they have to get, financial aid and other scholarships or whatever to be able to do that. If you take your most valuable dollars today that could be helping you in the future, then you're putting that towards their education, which is a great thing to do, but at the same time, you don't want to sacrifice your future savings and your future livelihood just to be able to do that to help them, especially if you don't have enough income to do all of those things with. So you want to make sure that you are saving for your retirement and prioritizing that. And if you still have some extra left over, then help your kids. And this is a tough conversation to have with people, but that's why I'm trying to tell you this here is that's where you got to put your attention. Taking care of you, and then if you have surplus, you can take care of them.